Cell division is a biological process by which a cell divides into two or more cells. During cell division, the nucleus splits and the DNA is replicated, giving the parent and daughter cells a complete copy of genetic material. Cell division is happening constantly. Whether it's reproduction, replacing damaged cells, or growing new cells, in order for us to keep living, cells need to keep dividing. And without cells dividing, we wouldn't be here today, nor would any other living thing. During cell division, cells go through a routine cell cycle, which includes 7 phases. The first is interphase, then prophase, then prometaphase, then metaphase, then anaphase, then telophase, and last is cytokinesis. The first phase is interphase. This phase takes up 90% of the cell cycle and has 3 checkpoints. The first checkpoint is G1. Cellular contents except the chromosomes are duplicated in this checkpoint. For G1, think of grow. The second checkpoint is the synthesis phase, where DNA is replicated and the sister chromatid is made. With copying and pasting DNA, this makes an exact pair of chromosomes. Here is what is going on in the cell. The last checkpoint in interphase is G2. G2 is a second growth phase and fixes any errors that need to be repaired. This is the last step before entering into mitosis. The second phase is prophase. An easy way to remember this is putting together a puzzle, because it all starts with P. And what I mean by put together is each chromosome is joined at the centromere, causing the X shape. Here, spindle fibers form between centrosomes. The third phase is prometaphase. The dotted line you see is a nuclear envelope breaking apart, and the kinetochore microtubules are interacting with the chromosomes, causing them to move. The fourth phase is metaphase, and when I see metaphase, I think of middle, because the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. Also, kinetochore microtubules and non-kinetochore microtubules make up the spindle fibers, which you see connected to the chromosomes, keeping them in place. The fifth phase is anaphase, and that stands for breaking apart. As you see, the chromosomes are separating and going to opposite ends of the cell. These separate chromosomes are called daughter chromosomes. In telophase, the cell pinches together, forming 2 new nuclear envelopes and 2 new daughter nuclei. This is also where mitosis ends. Almost done. Actually, cytokinesis begins before telophase has even completed itself. In cytokinesis, 2 new daughter cells are made of the exact replica of the parent. These cells then move on and keep repeating the same cell cycle.